Happy New Year and welcome back to the vlog. I'm Matthew Salmi. This is Idea Ride Garage and we are going to design a crazy twin turbo setup for the Ford Falcon 6-cylinder. So right now the car is set up with a 176 cylinder, which would not handle the power of a twin turbo setup. So ultimately I would have to build up either a 200 or 250 6-cylinder. But just imagine this with two top mount turbos sitting up here. I think it would just be absolutely crazy. 20 years ago, I bought these two vintage fuel injection setups that were originally run on midget sprint cars on the Ford Falcon 6-cylinder. This Algon raw casting has actually never been machined, and this Hilborn setup, this is the adapter that goes on the side of the cylinder head after you've machined off the factory one-piece cast-on intake setup. So my plan is to duplicate these out of billet aluminum, set it up for electronic fuel injection. I'll use this cylinder head to mock everything up. I'll initially go ahead and 3D print everything, including a custom header. I might even 3D print some turbos because I have seen that you can get 3D models for that. So initially I'm going to run the Falcon with the 176 and the 3-carb setup. But I think designing and prototyping a twin turbo setup as a winter project will be all kinds of fun. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll be updating on this project soon.